Welcome to Jones Toyota. I'm Jason Hunkowski, and this is the 2021 Toyota Supra that debuted wireless Apple CarPlay. This is awesome. So why don't you join me inside and let's take a look how this works. Welcome to the cab of the 2021 Toyota Supra, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to work the Apple CarPlay and pair it wirelessly. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Communication on the touchscreen, Manage Mobile Devices, Connect New Device, touch Apple CarPlay, connect Apple CarPlay, and that's a search mode. Now I want to get my phone into a search mode, make sure my Bluetooth is on, it's in a search mode for the phone, and that will also connect. Now while they're talking to each other, we want to look, it goes right to pair and gives you a confirmation code, tell the vehicle to allow and OK, and then within the next few seconds we should be connected. Now while this is connecting, there is a couple of ways to operate this. There's a joystick down below that you can also use to navigate the system, as well as the touchscreen like I did. And as you can see, that quick, I can now put my phone away and I have full function of my Apple CarPlay. This is my phone, my personal settings, my screens, my maps, apps that I have chosen. So quick, that was to get it initially hooked up. To use it after that, I turn the car off, I leave for the trip and everything goes down. Okay, when I fire the car back up, if we give it a second, phone and Apple CarPlay, and it is back up just that quick. Thank you very much for your time with the 2021 Toyota Supra and wireless Apple CarPlay. My name is Jason. I'll be seeing you soon.